In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery inside your Toyota key fob. That looks just like the one I have in front of me. So first thing, you'll take the key, put it this way, and there's a small indentation right here on the top. Take a flathead screwdriver, or you can also take a knife, and jam it right inside. Now you just need to twist it a little bit, give it a twist, and the case should separate in two different pieces. Here we go. So this is how it looks inside. As you can see, this key fob takes a CR2032 3 volts battery. If you want to replace it, check the link in the description. To remove the battery, it's quite easy. You just need to put your screwdriver and push it outside. You see, these are 3 tabs maintaining the battery in place. You don't want to pry them. You just want to push the battery until it pops out naturally. Once you have your new battery, make sure you place it the positive side facing up. You see the small plus sign? Be sure it's facing up. So to put it back, you just need to slide it. The same way you took it out, you'll slide it in. So slide it this way until it's in place, and you just have to clip the casing back together. Here we go. You should hear a clip. Great, you're done. So please subscribe and give a like to this video if this helped you.